Apple released iOS 16 with some great and amazing features. Out of all those, iOS 16 lock screen feature stands out because in iOS 16 now we can finally customize our iPhone lock screen as per our choices and preferences, right? Similarly, there are multiple features given to you like your changing the font or your design or adding the widgets. Similarly, in this video I'll be talking about widgets only. So now by default there are some stock widgets available of Apple or iPhones. Now we can add our third-party application widgets as well. So instead of or other than adding your stock widgets, we can add other widgets as well, like your social media applications. So as you can see on the screen, okay, so like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, we can add as well. So how to get this, okay, in your iPhone, or how to add this on your iPhone lock screen, we will see in this video. So let's start the video and check out the method. Basically, this app is not yet available in the App Store because it's not released yet, but it is available for beta testing. The link will be description. You can go and check out the app link, or you can wait until it's released officially, but the method or the steps will be same. So now let's move ahead and check out the application. So as it is a beta application or a beta version, for testing beta version application, we require one application called TestFlight. For that, do one thing, go to your App Store and search for application called TestFlight. Okay, go and download the application in your iPhone. And after you install the TestFlight application in your iPhone, the next step is downloading the widget application. For that, go to my video description. There will be a link. Tap on that. You can install this application through TestFlight in your iPhone. So now, once you have the application in your iPhone, now the next step starts. So here open the application, okay, and here you'll see a simple UI. At the top right corner you'll see a plus icon. Just tap on that, and here once you tap on that, you get two options here. First one is select the image and the application linking. So first one will be your icon. For that you can import your camera roll images, okay, like a logo or something like that, or you can use the inbuilt features of this application. Okay, you can search the logos, or you can import the PNG images from your camera roll. Okay, let me do that. Let me choose the YouTube. So once you have the image selected, then comes the next step, that is linking the application. Just tap on the option, and here search for the application name, that is YouTube. Once you have the YouTube application selected or opened, click on that, and then below is the option which you can choose. So if you want the icon of the widget to be as it is, or you want a circular as shown earlier, so as per your choice you can choose it, but make sure that you have a correct image for that, because image selected should go with a round circle or a round widget. Once you have that, now just click on save it. Once you save it, now the next step, and go to your home screen. Now open your lock screen, hard press it, go into customization mode, tap on customize, and here tap on the widget icons or widget tab. It will open a widget menu. Okay, scroll down until you find the application, the lock launcher, the search for lock launcher. Once you have that, just tap on that. So by default it will show you the simple UI or simple icon. Just tap on that, and it will add to your widget tab. So now to change the widget, just tap on the widget added currently, tap on that. It will give you option to choose from the applications. So you can choose YouTube and just leave it. If you see here, now your YouTube widget has been added to your iOS 16 lock screen. So as you can see on screen, the logo is not accurate, right? So I just changed to the no rounding. Okay, so as the image I imported, same will be shown here. So next time be careful while choosing the image. Okay, so you should go with the circular widget. So now once you tap on that, so initially it will ask for a permission first time. So once you give permission, from next time onwards, it won't ask you. It will directly open the application very smoothly and very fast. So now if you see here, any widget you type, it will open the application instantly without a delay, right? So it is so fast. So now it is into beta. So when it launched officially, there will be more improvement with the application. So I hope you got the steps and you know how to use the application. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions and iPhone customization. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.